Welcome to the Langston.
It's 68 Bradhurst Avenue.
Where Hamilton Heights, Sugar Hill, and Jackie Robinson Park meet with the outrageous summer stage concerts right outside your door.
The transportation is easy breezy. 2 minutes from your condominium, all the trains await at 145th Street, and it's just 2 stops to 59th Street on the A or the D.
Let the sun shine in. Residence 3H is a corner unit flooded with south and east light, and there's a brand new HVAC too in the living room. There are hardwood floors throughout. The second and third bedrooms are all outfitted with custom closets and high-end Omni-glass doorknobs. The third bedroom is set up with a pull-out sleep space and lots of electric. 3H has been completely renovated with skim-coated walls and smooth ceilings. This kitchen is totally different than every other kitchen in the Langston because it's been enlarged and expanded, which is why I can put my hands out like this. With new top-of-the-line everything, including a prolific undermount smart sink. And if you're a cook and you know what that means, you just got excited about this sink with its accessories and workstations.
They're brand new quartz countertops, white lacquer cabinetry, and glass subway tile backsplash. Thoughtful touches include a pull-out spice rack and trash bins, plus a pull-down secret sponge drawer, even a spot if you're multitasking. There's a home office workstation in the kitchen. Just working on the script.
Both bathrooms are renovated with marble and grow hardware. One bathroom has a stunning shower and the other has a wonderful soaking tub. And yes, 3H has the benefit of being able to rent from day one. But wouldn't you want to live here surrounded by the best food like the Grange Farm to Table, Sugar Hill, and Scion cafes? Outside, across the street, is the jaw-dropping oversized pool with additional sports areas and green spaces of Jackie Robinson Park. Conveniently located right across the street is the massive Foodtown Superstore, and your condominium's commercial space is home to Starbucks, a New York Sports Club, and a garage.
Exclusive use for the residents of the Langston is over 6,500 square feet of outdoor space with Wi-Fi and picnic tables too. Plus, there are play spaces and a climbing wall. There is a Langston sun-filled fitness center and a bonus laundry area if you need to do more than your typical wash in your own private washer-dryer. There's a bike room and a garage that's discounted for owners in the Langston too.
To take a private tour of 3H at the Langston,
Give us a call or drop us an email.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.